Hey, if you've ever changed oil in a car or handled anything that was greasy or put your hands in ground beef, it can be really nasty and it sticks to your hands. That's why you get these rubber gloves. This is a 100 pack. These are latex free. They're not sterile. They are disposable. They fit on either hand. These are the large pack, and I'm really loving these. They're very easy to put on. If you've ever put on rubber gloves before, sometimes it can be a bit of a pain, but look how easy those slip right on. So this is going to be perfect for any kind of work, whether it be in the kitchen, in the garage, around the house. If you're cleaning a toilet and you don't want to get bacteria and gunk all over your hands, throw these on. This here is transmission fluid oil, and you can see right here, it is all over this towel. And look, if you can see how shiny that is, it's all over these gloves, okay? So you're gonna be able to work in a dirty environment. You're gonna be able to get these nice and dirty. And now watch this. See that? Now watch. Pull it off. My hand is completely clean. Pull this one off inside the other one, right? Grab the interior. Look, completely clean hands. Now I don't have to scrub them forever to get whatever it was on there. This is the way to go. You're gonna be able to use these for 1,001 uses. These are one of those things you just gotta have on hand. Put them in the garage, put them under the sink in the kitchen. You're gonna use these more than you think you will. I'm already gonna be prepping some ground beef and mixing in for some meatloaf. I'll be using these for that as well. So pick these up. It's a 100 pack, powder free. Okay, no powder on them, which I like. They come on and off very easy. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.